So Department of Civil Engineering, first year, second semester, BEEE subject. Today the topic is rectifiers. So the content of the topic is what is rectification, types of rectifier, half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier, advantages of rectifier. So rectifier, what is a rectifier? So the device which is used for rectification is called rectifier. So rectification means the conversion of alternating current, that is AC, to direct current, DC. This involves a device that only allows one-way flow of electrons. So in this diagram, the first diagram shows there is no rectification, and the second diagram shows the half wave rectification, and the third diagram shows the full wave rectification. So this is the alternating current in single phase. So it is a unrectified 60 Hz frequency waveform or supply. So this is the alternating current single phase, 60 positive pulse per second. That means in the 60 Hz it is having the positive 60 positive pulses and 60 negative pulses. So types of rectification. So two types of rectification are there. One is the single phase rectifier, then the second one is three phase rectifiers. So in single phase rectifiers there are three types: half wave rectification, full wave rectification, full wave bridge rectifier. Then in the three phase rectifiers, three phase half wave rectifier circuit and three phase full wave rectifier circuit using center tap transformer. So single phase rectification. So in single phase rectification, first we have to see half wave rectifier. So it is which only the positive or negative portions of the signal remain. So in this diagram only one diode is used. The input is AC and it is given to the diode via a transformer, a step down transformer. The input is AC and the DC rectified output is shown in the figure. So it is a half wave rectifier. Single phase rectification output. So this is the output of the single phase half wave rectifier. The output DC voltage of a half wave rectifier can be calculated with the following ideal equation. So VDC is equal to V peak by pi. Pi here pi is 180 degree. In the circuit or in the diagram shows the input and the output of the rectifier, that is a single diode. Full wave rectifier, here in which either positive or negative portions are inverted so that the entire signal has the same polarity. So here in the diagram the AC input is given to the two diodes. It's a center tapped diode. The center tapped is in transformer. It's a step down transformer. The DC output is shown in the figure. So full wave rectifier diagram. So it is a bridge rectifier. It's not a center tapped rectifier. It's a full wave bridge rectifier circuit. Here the input is AC voltage source and the DC output is shown in the load and it is output as DC. Three phase rectification. A three phase diode rectifier converts a three phase AC voltage at the input to a DC voltage at the output. So input is three phase AC and output is DC output. So types of three phase rectification: three phase half wave rectifier circuit and three phase full wave circuit using center tapped transformer, and the third one is three phase bridge rectifier. Three phase half wave rectification. Three phase converters are three phase controlled rectifiers which are used to convert AC input power supply into DC power supply across the load. DC output power across the load. They provide higher DC output voltage and higher DC output power. So in three phase half wave rectification, the use is we are getting the higher power DC output, higher power of DC output. So the diagram is shown, a 3-phase transformer is shown in the input side, and output side 3-phase, 3 rectifiers are shown, and the output is a DC. 3-phase full wave rectification. 3-phase full wave bridge rectifier is used where the required amount of DC power is high and the transformer efficiency must be high. Since the output waveforms of the half waves overlap, they provide a low ripple percentage. In this circuit, the output ripple is 6 times the input frequency. So here 6 diodes are used for converting AC input into DC output. 3-phase full wave rectification by using center tapped transformer. If 3-phase AC is fed via a transformer with a center tapped, is called 3-phase center tapped transformer. This rectifier requires 6 diodes. So the input is AC similarly, and the output is rectified DC output. 3-phase full wave rectification using center tapped output. So this diagram shows the output of the load side as DC having a low ripple. So advantage and disadvantage of full wave bridge rectifier. Some advantages are using full wave bridge rectifier. Similarly, some disadvantages are there. Advantages: need for center tap transformer is eliminated. So the main advantage using the bridge rectifier is eliminating the center tap transformer. Then PIV, peak inverse voltage, is 1/2 of that of center tap circuit. Output is twice than that of center tap circuit. Similarly, the disadvantages of using bridge rectifier is, so it requires 4 diodes, but in the case of full wave rectifier using center tap transformer, only 2 diodes are used for single phase rectification. And internal resistance voltage drop is twice than that of center tap circuit. Voltage ripple. There is a comparison between all the rectifiers. So half wave rectification, 100% voltage ripples are present. In full wave rectification also voltage ripple is 100%. 3-phase 6 pulse rectification, the voltage ripple is only 30%. And 3-phase 12 pulse voltage ripple is 4%. At high frequency, the voltage ripple is less than 1%. So from this, increasing the number of diodes, the voltage ripple is reduced. So some uses of rectifiers. So it is utilized in oscilloscope. So here the rectified system is shown in the figure in the oscilloscope. Single phase rectifier. Again we are going to a review in the single phase rectifier. So the input is AC, the output is DC, and it is a pulsating DC, and the diode is used in the single phase rectifier is 1. So similarly, the transformer feeding a resistor as its load with a rectifier inserted in the DC. So these things are repeatedly given in the single phase rectifier circuit. So this is the VDC is equal to Vp by pi, and the value is 0.318 Vp. The peak voltage is equal to maximum volt into root 2. This is a 2 diode full wave single phase rectifier. So the input is AC and 2 diodes are using and having a DC, continuous DC output in the form of pulsating. This is the theory of the same, and the VDC average is equal to 2 Vp by pi is equal to 0.636 Vp. Vp is nothing but peak voltage. The 4 diode full wave bridge rectifier, the input is AC and 4 diodes are using as bridge circuit, and the voltage across the load is the pulsating DC. and the average DC voltage is 2 Vp by pi is equal to 0.636 Vp, similar to full wave rectifier. So this is the 3-phase full wave rectifier. Then again it is shown the 3-phase input is given to the 6 diodes and the output is DC, and it is shown in the next diagram. So this is the AC input 1, 2, 3 with time base, and the output is shown in the light green color as rectified DC. Thank you, and thank you very much.